If you are unsure about reassembling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning components, stop and follow a careful, step-by-step approach to avoid costly errors and electrical miswiring. Begin by reviewing the equipment manual and the system wiring diagram, and treat the diagram as your map for where each connector and wire must return. Before disassembly, take multiple clear photos from different angles of each component and connector so you can recreate the assembly exactly when you put it back together. Label wires and parts with simple paper tags and a permanent marker so you do not have to rely on memory, and keep fasteners grouped in the order they came out using small containers or a magnetic tray. Work methodically and reassemble one subassembly at a time. Test for correct operation after each stage, and do not move forward until the previous function checks out. Use a multimeter to verify continuity and correct voltage only after power is restored safely and you have confirmed wiring matches the diagram. If you must reuse old wiring terminals, crimp them properly with a quality crimper and replace any damaged insulation with heat shrink or rated tape to maintain safe clearances. The three most common mistakes are reconnecting the wrong wires, losing or mixing up fasteners and seals, and assuming a part is functional without testing. Wrong connections can cause blown fuses or compressor damage, so always match colors and terminal labels to the wiring diagram and verify with a meter before applying full power. Mixed fasteners and lost seals lead to leaks and mechanical stress, so keep parts organized and replace any gasket or O-ring you cannot account for with the correct size. Assuming parts are good can hide latent failures, so bench test motors and sensors where possible and replace suspect components rather than risk a system failure after reassembly. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work for projects like heating, ventilation, and air conditioning repairs, and safe component reassembly. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and our members share photos, wiring tips, and step-by-step advice so you can get practical input before deciding whether to call a professional.